Most people visit your website and then vanish. They're gone, just like that. But what if I told you there's a simple way to keep them connected, turning those fleeting clicks into a loyal community genuinely interested in what you offer? It's easier than you think. The truth is, the vast majority of visitors who reach your website will leave without buying anything. And that's not a knock on your business. It just means they weren't ready to purchase right then. So today we're solving that exact problem. How to stop losing those potential customers and start building a real relationship with them. Think about it. Someone visits your site. They're interested, but maybe not ready to buy today. That's a problem, right? And if they leave, they might forget all about you. But what if you could gently stay in touch? That website visitor is like a seed. They might not be ready to bloom today, but with a little care and attention, they could flourish into a wonderful customer. And your email list is the garden where you nurture those seeds. The lesson here is super important. An email list lets you build that relationship over time. You can share helpful stuff, remind them that you're there, and be top of mind whenever they are ready. It's about a connection and not just constant selling. So you want people on your email list, but let's be honest, we get a lot of different emails. People won't just hand over the email addresses for nothing. And that's a common roadblock for many businesses. So with that said, you need to realize you need to offer something genuinely valuable in exchange. Think of it like a friendly trade. Your first step is to create what's often called a lead magnet. Just offer something amazing that your ideal customer actually wants. This can be a helpful guide, a checklist, a discount code for the first purchase, a template, or even a quick consultation. Visitors are really happy to share that email address when they get something really useful in return. Quick question. What's the best free thing that you've ever gotten for signing up for an email list? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so you got your fantastic free offer. Now, where do people actually sign up? A big mistake is hiding your sign up form way down in the website footer where no one sees it. You need to put your sign up forms where they'll actually get noticed. Think your prime real estate. The key is visibility here. You can add a sign up form right on your homepage, making it clear and inviting. Another great spot is the end of your blog posts. As someone who reads your whole article, they're interested, and that's the perfect time to invite them to get more. You can even use a pop-up that appears after someone's been on your website for a short while or when they're about to leave. The main thing you need to do is make it super easy and obvious for people to sign up. Do not make them hunt for this. You know that pop-up that I mentioned, or any sign-up form for that matter? Here's where many businesses stumble. They ask way too much information, like their name, email, phone number, company size, favorite color. It's way too much. Each extra thing that you add makes it less likely that someone will actually sign up. It's called friction. Just keep in mind that simplicity wins, and keep your sign-up forms super simple. You really only need two things: their first name to personalize the emails, and their email address to be able to send the emails. That's it. And the thing is, you can always gather more information later on if you need to once you've started building that relationship. So someone just signed up. Hooray! But what happens next? Silence? No. That's a missed opportunity. It's like inviting someone to your party then ignoring them when they arrive. So I always recommend having a welcome email go out. It's simply setting up an automated welcome email that subscribers receive immediately after joining your list. And this first email is crucial. It's your chance to make a great first impression. So use your welcome email to warmly introduce new subscribers to your business. Deliver that free thing that you promised right away. And very importantly, set expectations. Let them know what kind of emails you send and roughly how often. This builds trust from day one. Research actually shows the welcome emails have some of the highest open rates of any email you'll send, so make it count. Okay, let's get practical. If you could only tell a new subscriber one thing about your business in that welcome email, what would it be? Just think about that. It helps you focus on what's truly important. The beauty of email marketing is that it lets you nurture and build these relationships over time. You're not just selling, you're sharing helpful information and tips. That way, you're staying top of mind with subscribers until they're ready to buy. And that's how you turn those initial website clicks into a thriving community. If you find this helpful and want more tips on growing your business online with smart systems, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And quick question for you. What's the biggest challenge you face in getting email subscribers? Oh, by the way, if you're thinking this sounds great, but I need help setting up my website to actually convert visitors into email subscribers like what we talked about, I get it. It can be tricky. I offer a free, no pressure call where we can look at your current setup and how to improve it. Just use the link below in the description. So you know those visitors who just used to vanish from your website? Well, by focusing on giving value and making it easy to connect, you can keep them around and build something lasting. So the biggest takeaway here is to not let website visitors slip through the cracks and start building an email community today.